illegal, unlawful arrest. They arrested me at the protest and in front of public. I'm a public figure. They didn't caution me. It was an illegal arrest. They shoved me in the back of the van in front of all you people, and there was many more watching as well. And then we came here and we made representation. My legal team made representation that the case was so weak that we cannot have an interview. Woo! After that, they tried to put illegal bail conditions on me, not to go to Hospital Street and not to go to Imam Raza Cultural Centre. So again, we made representations to them that this is against my human right to protest and my human right of religion. And then they removed them. Woo! Next up, Scott Ritter, Chief Constable of West Midlands Police. Please get your checkbook ready because the claim is coming. Woo! Remember that.
Well, there you go. That's a statement from the horse's mouth there. The West Midlands Police may well be coughing up a load of compensation to this fellow soon, if he's correct and if he wins. Now, there's a sting in the tail here. We'll get onto that in a moment, but it's going to add more confusion to the fog. The West Midlands Police have come out with their own statement. Before we get onto that, let's just focus on the original speculation of him being arrested for burning a foreign flag in England. A foreign flag in England. Ant Middleton wants to cage this bloke for 3 years or deport him and his family because he burnt a foreign flag in England. So Middleton thinks it's okay to imprison someone for 3 years for simply burning a foreign flag in England. That says a lot about Middleton's lack of judgment and discernment here. Can you imagine if someone was caged for 3 years for burning a Russian, Nigeria or Pakistan flag in London, in England? This lot, Middleton and his mates, they'd all be up in arms, but for some reason they're okay to cage this lawyer/politician for 3 years for burning a foreign flag in England. I do wonder what country's flag that they think this bloke burnt. It must be a very important country to them. I wonder. In any case, West Midlands Police may have just scuppered all that. They've come out with their own statement that contradicts the speculation of detention for flag burning. West Midlands Police are basically saying it's about discrimination. Racial discrimination. Quick read of this statement. Last night we arrested a man on suspicion of abusing one of our officers at a demonstration in Birmingham. We're aware of social media reports that the arrest was related to the burning of a flag. Those reports are wrong. If West Midlands Police are referring to this fella, Mr Yakoob, and they are correct, and that they can prove it, then Mr Yakoob's legal and political career are basically over. There's so much at stake here, right, for everyone involved. A possible lawsuit against West Midlands Police and possible reputational damage that Mr Yakoob won't be able to recover from. It's going to ruin his political career at the very least. He won't be able to recover from that if those allegations stick, because that type of abuse just doesn't lend to a political career. We'll be watching out for updates on this one. Please do subscribe.